Once again, I want to remind you to subscribe to my message through my YouTube, and also to send your comment whenever you either react or accept what we are teaching. In this episode, I want to speak about effect of sexual perversion. Under sexual perversion, episode 14. Sexual perversion, episode 14. Here I will be speaking about effect of sexual perversion. Effect means result or consequence. And this effect, for better explanation and understanding, it will take me 3 episodes. So I'm going to deal with this effect of sexual perversion in 3 episodes. Let me start by saying there is nothing done abnormal way that will not attract side effect. There is nothing that will be done in an abnormal way that will not lead to side effect. Let me give you some instances. When you use headache medicine to cure stomach ache, you are given a medicine for headache, and you use the same medicine for stomach ache, there is going to be an effect, because the drug is programmed or fashioned for headache, not stomach. Let me give you another one. When you pour water made for radiator into the engine of a car, you know there is a department or compartment in the car called radiator, where you pour water that will cool the engine. So it is only water that is made for that department of the car. You don't use oil. Now there's another department or compartment in the car called engine, where the engine will be cooling the rod, different type of rod that join together for the car to be able to work effectively. Then when you now pour the water meant for radiator into the engine, it will cause problem. It's either you don't enjoy the car or you get the engine of the car knocked. Let me give you another instance. When you pour a kerosene into your cooking food, the food you are cooking, instead of oil or water, you pour kerosene into it, and eventually you are eating it. You get yourself blamed at the end of the day. So that means there is always effect that follows sexual perversion. The Bible says in the book of Hosea chapter 8 verse 3, Hosea chapter 8 verse 3, the Bible says Israel has cast off the things that is good. Take note. Israel has cast off the thing that is good, a thing that is good, something that is good for Israel, which Israel is supposed to use for himself or for herself. She cast it out. What is that thing now relating to what you are saying? Normal way of, or natural way of having sex with spouses. So when that one has been turned around, then you are an Israel. The Bible says he will suffer for it. If you read the following Bible reference, verse 4, the Bible says the enemy will pursue him and overtake him. So there are 3 effects that lead to sexual perversion. 3 effects. I will mention one effect briefly now, and in the other episode I will continue with it. I'm going to mention mental effect. Mental effect. Anyone that engage in sexual perversion will have mental effect. How do I mean? Do you know your mind is connected to that act? Whenever you act sexually, your mind is connected to it. An hour or days after the act, your mind will bring the recorded memory of everything you have done or everything you did and begin to torture you with it through the medium of your conscience. When you are in that act, your memory is there, your mind is there, and your mind through memory will record everything you are doing, which is not normal. You yourself know it's not normal. And days after that, or hours after that, your memory will bring the recorded something and bring it to you and begin to torture you with it. What do I mean by torture you with it? When you begin to think of what you have done and begin to blame yourself. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to allow my husband. I didn't want to release myself to my husband. I didn't want to do it. It's my wife. You begin to have one condemnation. Remember I told you that condemnation is the act of conscience. And when you begin to condemn yourself, then you are affected with your mental. So when your mind is not torturing you, and you will not be at peace, you will not be at rest, you start easing on around, you start blaming yourself. At times, you may not even like yourself or like your spouses. That's one of the effects of sexual perversion. And if you want to be free with this, if you want to be free, whosoever involved with it or whosoever have been affected with this, if you want to be free with this, the only solution is to let go that act, sexual perversion. I will continue in the next episode. Olorotimi Peter is my name. God bless you.